Test Script Processor, or TSP, is both a command set and a programming language for instrument control. This video will cover a few key features of TSP that differ from other control methods. Programmers often automate instrument functions using traditional command sets like the Standard Command for Programmable Instruments, or SCPI command set. This works like a dictionary, where the instrument is only capable of processing the commands contained in its dictionary. TSP has this capability as well, where instrument functions and settings are mapped to a list of TSP commands. Let's take a look at how this compares to a command set like SCPI. Both command sets use a tree structure where settings of the instrument are split into subsystems. So if we want to set the function on a DMM to DC voltage, the SCPI command will be structured by sense, function, and voltage. By SCPI standards, this command is abbreviated to the first 4 characters of each subsystem and separated by colons. Now the equivalent command in TSP would start with the DMM subsystem, then measure, then func for function. Now the first difference we see is that the TSP command is not abbreviated. This improves code readability and maintainability. The second difference is that the subsystems in the command are separated by periods instead of colons. There is a third difference that you may not have noticed at first. The SCPI command is structured as setting and then parameter. The TSP command is structured as a setting that is equal to a value, in this case an enum representing the functions of the DMM. TSP commands are separated into 2 types: attributes, which assign a value to a property, and functions, which complete an action. The format of each of these command types follows the syntax of most standard programming languages. SCPI commands have the ability to refer to actions and parameters, however their formats are the same. By separating the command types, code in TSP is easier to understand and maintain. TSP is also a programming language based on a lightweight scripting language called Lua. This gives us the ability to define our own functions and use basic programming structures in the code that the instrument is executing. One final distinction between SCPI and TSP is how information is returned to the PC. SCPI commands use a question mark to indicate a query of the instrument and that a response is expected. TSP utilizes a print statement, similar to print functions used by other high-level languages. This also improves code clarity. For more information on how to empower your instruments with TSP, please visit our website at tech.com/TSP.